Hi, in this video I will show you the base concepts of routing in Laravel. Okay, let's jump into code. In a Laravel application, all requests are handled by the index.php file. That index.php file handles all the requests to the Laravel router. So if you serve to a route, assume the base of your application, then this request will be passed to this route. The router fetches that URI and we can do several things on the router. The most simple example of a route is a route with a closure. A closure is a function. So we create our first route and we pass it return hello world. So if we now serve into our application and we go to the base route, we will see hello world in our screen. Okay, that's fine. The second thing we can do is pass this route to a controller. So if we make this route, we can pass it to a controller. If you have a single action controller, you can use an invokable route. So the controllers are housed in my HTTP folder. So I created an invokable controller for this example. So if I don't specify a method, then the invoke method will be called. Okay, let's go. Hello world from the invokable controller. This is mainly useful if you use single action controllers, so a controller that only does one thing. If you want to specify a method from a controller, then you can pass it like this. Controller class, and we pass as second argument the method we want to call. So in this example, we have a hello method. Hello. Okay. If we now refresh, that method is called. Another thing we can do is return a view. The views are housed in the resources folder in Laravel. So I've created a welcome view with hello world. From the welcome view, now, okay, let's return it. And we see that we get our view. These are some base concepts of routing. Most of the time you will do something like this. So you will call a route and pass it to a controller, and that controller returns something. We have several HTTP verbs that we can use. So the route get is the base get route. You can also use post, put, patch, delete, and so on. So you can make routes that only react on the HTTP verb that is necessary. So if you want to post a form, then you can make a post route that will not respond on the get. It will only respond on the post or on the any route. Any route responds on any HTTP verb. Okay, these were the base principles of routing in Laravel. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.